Hey there. Today let us talk about the highest or which phone has the highest megapixels camera installed in it. That is in the market now. It has been the Motorola is 30 Ultra. This is a phone having 200 megapixels. Can you imagine a phone having 200 megapixels camera and can give a high resolution image? The other two rear camera are also of 50 megapixels ultra wide and a 12 megapixels Sony IMAX 663 telephoto, which offer 2x optical zoom. The selfie camera is the Vision over 60 megapixels in it. So from this we can see that the back camera is 200 megapixels and the front camera is 60 megapixels, which is exactly very of good sense. So moving on the display, it has a 6.67 inch FSD plus OLED of 144 Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1250 nits. So it is a brighter phone. Mainly today we are here to talk about the camera, and the camera for that of high resolution camera there is the storage of one of 512 GB storage that can set and give a high resolution photo, video, and can save them in the phone. Then for that the phone has 4610 mAh battery, which can take either 50-watt wireless charging or whopping 125-watt turbo power wired charging. Motorola says you can get 12 hours worth of usage in just 7 minutes on the cable. It is really a new technology, and let us say in the future we can see more of this type of highest resolution camera. But at last I want to ask you a question. iPhone having less megapixels and this Android running phone of various company having high resolution of or high megapixels, but at last the photo or the picture, the video that came from iPhone is higher of quality than this type of other Android having highest megapixels. Why is that? If you can say that, please comment in below. Thank you and enjoy the video. And if you like it, please subscribe to me.